Hi guys, it's me. So today I am sharing with you another page from my duct tape file folder notebook that I made, or art journal that I made. So this is a really fun page, and I'm altering a magazine image. I love doing altered magazine images. They're really funny. You just pull out your pins and you kind of go crazy. I really am enjoying revisiting these pages because I made this journal when I was first beginning to art journal, and it's just really fun to see just how I've developed my style. So I really love it. It's a really fun process, so I hope you enjoy it, and I'll let you watch. And I'm sorry that this video is posting on Thursday. Normally I've been uploading on Wednesdays, but I got a little bit behind. But really fun and cool technique. So I hope that you enjoy the video, and I hope that you will make your own altered magazine page for your art journal too. Have a great day. Thanks guys. Happy creating. Bye.
Girl, I'm hearing awful things. Now it's time you talk to me. Are these dark, twisted rumors true? How could I have trusted you? All you do is tell me lies. So let's find out the truth tonight. Moment of truth for the both of us. Apocalypse could be the end of us. I love fire, hate shaking off the dust. Baby, what I'm hearing, oh, ain't really good for us still, yeah. Bodies of beauty, love like a beast. Tastes like the emperor's imperial feast. Hearts growing colder, rumors getting closer. Did you really do this? Thought I told ya. Play with my heart, I'm playing with your head. I'm crazy, that's what the other one said. It's the moment of truth and the light's on you. Tell me if the dark, twisted thing is true. Yes, I figured that, so pack up your clothes, give me my keys back, and you can have your phone. Your love has turned my heart into a haunted house. V is for vendetta, and I'm taking love out. You think you are a monster? You don't know a monster until you see an innocent man become a monster. Nothing you can give can replace the adrenaline. Having his revenge is ultimate redemption. Girl, you've gone too far. I can't even stay with you no more, cause you broke my heart. You're dark, you're twisted. Girl, get out my car. They can't see you here with me no more, cause you went too far. You're dark, you're twisted. Girl, you're dark, girl, you're twisted. Now we're talking business. Tell me when you did this. 6 months creeping around is what I'm hearing. This is the person that we argued about. You said it was nothing, so I thought we worked it out. Look who's the liar, your heart's on fire. But not before the stories are told, cause I desire the truth. That's all I really asked of you. All I really ever cared about was taking care of you. Now it's advanced with the wolves, it's a vampire feast. You unleash the dragon, so plan your retreat. It's a full moon out, so tonight you're gonna witness return of Jafar, return of the beast. I booked a trip to Paris, a summer retreat. Will you too, because I'm not taking you with me. You settle for the good instead of waiting for the greatness. Apocalypse is over, your soul's taken. You think you are a monster? You don't know a monster until you see an innocent man become a monster. Nothing you can give can replace the adrenaline. Having his revenge is ultimate redemption. Girl, you've gone too far. I can't even stay with you no more, cause you broke my heart. You're dark, you're twisted. Girl, get out my car. They can't see you here with me no more, cause you went too far. You're dark, you're twisted. Girl, you've gone too far. I can't even stay with you no more, cause you broke my heart. You're dark, you're twisted. Girl, get out my car. They can't see you here with me no more, cause you went too far. You're dark, you're twisted. Girl, you're dark, girl, you're twisted. Thought you left me in the desert to die. A sip of water and I came back to life. Bet your money that I'll always survive. Just watch how I push through the rocks. Deep in the desert, you left me out here to die. Changing weather has taught me to survive. We were forever until the day you told me goodbye. You took the treasure and left me here with nothing but rocks. Against the wind, I will not stop. I'll crawl from the sand up to the top. And if I fall down on these rocks, the rocks make me stronger. Thought you left me in the desert to die. A sip of water and I came back to life. Bet your money that I'll always survive. Just watch how I push through the rocks. Looking over on the desert, I can see you thought the